This is Sabrina's with the daily news update for February 20, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. Asian financial markets stuck a cautious tone on Friday as escalating geopolitical tension between the US and Iran dampened investors' appetite. While markets in mainland China and Taiwan remain closed for the Lunar New Year holidays, Hong Kong's Hang Seng resumed trading with a 0.8% loss. Tokyo's Nikkei 225 fell 1.1%, while in Australia, the S&P ASX 200 closed down just 4.8 points, Friday to 9,081.40. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.63 points or 0.38% to 427.4. Total trade volume was up with 63,441 shares changing hands at a total value of 271.4 million rial or close to $67,000. On the main board, 5 stocks were up, led by Pastec Cambodia, while 1 stock was down, with Phnom Penh Autonomous Port as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, all stocks have stayed flat. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Rial was up to 4,021 Rials per US dollar, while the US dollar index rose to 97.95. Turning to global commodities, oil prices edged higher as US-Iran tensions. Summer oil prices are on the rise as tenders react to growing concerns that the US could launch military actions against Iran. Brent crude is up 1.55% at $71.44 US dollars a barrel, and West Texas Intermediate crude is up 1.61% to trade at $66.24 US dollars a barrel. Gold also moved higher, with the spot gold at $5,020.95 US dollars per ounce and US gold futures for April delivery at $5,037.60 US dollars. Looking at the crypto market, prices were softer at the time of latest read. Bitcoin traded $66,998.61 US dollars, down 1.72%, while the Ethereum was at $1,972.61 US dollars, down 2.28%. Moving on to the other business-related news. The meeting on February 18, 2026 underscores a major pivot in US-Cambodia relations, have pledged to expand bilateral commerce and investment during talks in Washington, making a thaw in economic relations between the two nations. The meeting, held on February 18 during Samdech Hunmanet's participation in the inaugural meeting of the Board of Peace, follows a surge in economic activities. And Samdech Tapade Hunmanet welcomed a new deal establishing a roughly 18% tariff on Cambodia's export to the US market. On February 19, 2026, the Ministry of Economy and Finance officially announced the approval and implementation of a capital gains tax exemption for products within the security sector. This contributes to serve as a tax incentive for public investors holding and trading government securities, bonds, and/or equity securities. According to notification from the Securities and Exchange Regulator of Cambodia, the Ministry of Economy and Finance approved Prakas number 133, dated February 5, 2026. Regarding the exemption of capital gains tax for security sector products. Cambodian exporters are being urged to view emerging European trade regulations as a strategic opportunity rather than a hurdle. This was the topic theme of a full-day workshop held on February 17, 2026 at Sun and Moon Riverside Hotel. That's all for today's update. This was Sabrina with B2B Asia News.